Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Kendall Jenner surprised onlookers as she made a rare appearance with their best friends Hailey Bieber and Justine Skye amid Harry Styles' romance rumors. The Kardashian star looked stunning as she stepped out of a gym after hitting a pilates class with her close pals on Sunday. Jenner's latest appearance came after her recent breakup with Devin Booker. She has been linked with the As It Was singer after he parted ways with Olivia Wilde. The 818 tequila owner dropped jaws as she put her fit physique on display. She wore a tiny white crop top that showed off her toned waist and wrapped a sweater over her shoulders. Jenner paired black leggings with light brown and white sneakers. She accessorized her look with a gray face mask and protected her eyes with thin black sunglasses. She was seen carrying a black handbag. Hailey donned an oversized gray sweater. The model opted for minimal makeup as she made her way behind Jenner. Skye, on the other hand, wore a gray sportswear and matching tiny shorts. Meanwhile, Jenner has been in communication with her ex Styles as rumors are making rounds on the internet. A source in Los Angeles told The Sun, Harry and Kendall have always stayed in touch, but in light of their recent splits, they have more time for one another. And Harry has had Kendall's ear over his breakup with Olivia. Thanks for listening and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.